Hello and welcome to the Prince Weekly Show Vigyapanti. Nostalgia marketing is not new, but YouTube India has set a new benchmark by perfectly leveraging it. Bringing back television icons like Urvashi Dholakia and Shweta Tiwari as Komolika and Prerna from Kasauti Zindagi Ki, YouTube India recreated the magic of Ekta Kapoor's daily soap, but with a modern and comedic twist.
तुम कभी नॉर्मल बिहेव नहीं कर सकती क्या?
Don't lose the plot, babe. I really like you. वैसे भी, having catfights is a misogynistic trope. It's meant to reinforce patriarchal status quo.
But everyone knows, एक ब्रैट और डिम्योर कभी दोस्त नहीं बन सकते। क्या काम है मुझसे?
तुम्हारी लुक बहुत स्ले है, इसलिए तुझसे टिप्स मांगने आई हूँ।
सच?
वो क्या है ना कि सस करने वालों को सस करने के लिए ट्रस्ट इश्यूज चाहिए।
God, you really need help.
तो करो ना।
अच्छा ठीक है। ये देखो 5 ways to style your saree on YouTube. Both one will rock your world. और ये बाल घुमाना बंद करो और ये देखो heatless curl tutorial.
No tears makeup look tutorial.
For you? But no dear makeup tutorial की मुझे क्या जरूरत है?
Originally airing from 2001 to 2008, Kasauti Zindagi Ki chronicled the love story of Anurag and Prerna, while Komolika's scheming added endless drama. The fierce rivalry between Prerna and Komolika, often laced with melodramatic confrontations, became the hallmark of the show. Now, YouTube India has cleverly tapped into this nostalgia, offering a hilarious spoof that has been approved by Ekta Kapoor herself. Aimed at millennials who grew up watching these characters, YouTube India's campaign struck a chord. The brand brilliantly taps into sentimentality to connect emotionally, reignite memories, and strategically nudge them to engage and even spend on the platform. The audience celebrated the revival of their childhood memories while praising the witty script, which has so far garnered over 29 million views. Some even touted the Prerna Urvashi commercial as the best work by YouTube India so far. Previously, the brand collaborated with actor Anup Soni, reminding the audience of the Crime Patrol days. This video too was a hit with 19 million views on Instagram.
हाय बेब, कैसी लग रही हो? Really? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, छोड़ो मुझे। नहीं।
कुछ ना करना शननन नाया की पहली गलती थी। नो मेकअप लुक के लिए अपने ग्लो और ग्लैम को स्किप करना दूसरी और तीसरी गलती मैं गाड़ी पकड़ने के बाद बताता हूं। ऑटो! आप कितने भी बड़े गीगा चैट क्यों ना हो, लेकिन एक मिड ड्रिप आपसे आपका सारा ऑरा छीन सकती है। अबे कहां गया, रुक! अगर शननन आया ने सही समय पर YouTube पे इंस्पो वीडियो देखा होता, तो आज वो अपने बेस्टीज को फिट चेक वीडियोस भेज रही होती। अपने आप को एनपीसी बनाकर अपनी जिंदगी जाया ना करें। YouTube पर फैशन और ब्यूटी क्रिएटर से सीखते रहें, स्ले करें, स्मार्ट रहें।
YouTube India isn't just winning over millennials, it's casting a wider net. After tapping into millennial nostalgia, the platform turned its attention to Gen Z with the iconic Ganji Chudel. Known for her irreverent, bold persona, Ganji Chudel has become a go-to muse for brands experimenting with unconventional narratives. From food delivery platforms like Fasos to online matchmaking sites like Shadi.com, her meteoric rise as an influencer is undeniable. Now, YouTube India, always on top of trends, took this phenomena to the next level by giving her a star power makeover. Enter Neena Gupta as the Ganji Chudel, a move that instantly created internet buzz. Adding a twist, YouTube roped in 3 influencers to complement Gupta's character, scripting a fun and fashion-forward transformation journey. The ad cleverly showcases Ganji Chudel evolving into a Gen Z Chudel, complete with trendy style and makeover upgrades via YouTube.
एक बार 3 यूट्यूबर्स को किडनैप कर लेती है गंजी चुड़ैल।
थक गई हूँ मीम बन के। अब तुम तीनों मुझे बेब बनाओगे और नहीं बनाया तो अकाउंट्स डिलीट। बनाएंगे, जरूर बनाएंगे।
typical lack of inclusivity.
The shade match is mind-blowing, so my skin looks very even. Mommy! The mascara bond on your eyelashes.
नील कटर से तो काम नहीं होगा. दीदी, next time just go to YouTube, okay?
With fashion and lifestyle ranking among YouTube's most popular categories, the platform's long-form content format allows creators to share detailed styling tips, in-depth guides, and authentic narratives that audiences find engaging and trustworthy. YouTube India's back-to-back campaigns is a move to draw attention of the public for not just watching music videos and trailers, but so much more. As television continues to lose watch time to on-demand streaming, social media platforms are increasingly rivaling SVOD services in capturing viewer attention, according to a report. Video engagement on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook is surging. With TV's popularity waning, audiences are turning to OTT services and social media for their entertainment fix. YouTube in particular has mastered the art of connecting with both Gen Z and millennials through clever ways of tapping into viral trends and nostalgia. The overflowing creativity at YouTube India's office is paying off, delivering campaigns that hit all the right notes. Thank you for watching and follow for more.